We are on the road to Hana on Maui, and this is Tommy driving, and we're gonna drive the Cadillac that we have, the SRX, and so let's go. Hana Highway is about 40 miles long or so, and it's got a lot of twists and turns, and it goes all the way to Hana, which is a very remote area on Maui. And the Cadillac SRX has good performance, and so we can handle all the turns with ease. There's some neat fruit stands you can stop at on the way to coming over here. And we got some papaya and mango and pineapple and all kinds of great things.
Fire.
Dragon fruit, which was really tasty. That's an avocado? Have you ever seen any so good? Bird of paradise. The thing about this road, you need to fill up with gas before you go because there's no gas stations and basically nowhere to stop. So it's kind of a pretty remote area. And they also say there's over 600 turns. I probably said that already. So as a suggestion, don't like fill up on a real heavy lunch and then go try to do this. Oh, we're coming to, this is a one-lane bridge, right?
Mm-hmm.
So a lot of one-lane bridges. You got to watch the other side, make sure nobody's coming. Here's a super beautiful place on the road to Hana, Maui Falls. And we're at the Arboretum here. What's the name of the Arboretum? You have the flyer? What's it called?
Garden of Eden.
The Garden of Eden Arboretum. And it really is the Garden of Eden. Just amazing. Beautiful stuff. Down there you can see the Hana Road, the Hana Highway we were just driving on. Pretty small and narrow. But what a beautiful sight. When you come to Maui, be sure to visit here. It's on the road to Hana, Garden of Eden Arboretum. Simply gorgeous place. You're hungry? You want us to give you something? You're very beautiful. My goodness, what a big peacock. We have peacocks where we live too. You looking for a goodie? We don't have any goodies. Do you have anything to give it?
No, I don't have it.
Sorry, we don't have anything for you.
Do you think he can eat this one?
I don't know if they're supposed to eat that or not.
Is it eat?
Possibility. No, you don't like that, huh? I don't know what you eat, so maybe next time, huh? You can tell us next time what you eat and then we'll bring it for you. Okay?
I didn't know that.
All right, bye-bye. So you can get an idea of some of the scenery and the turns, the twisty hairpin turns. It's really a beautiful country road. It would be a great place to drive a sports car, except we don't have one on this trip. We're on the road to Hana, and boy, is this a beautiful place. Just on the side of the road is a waterfall. And it goes way up into the mountains. Just gorgeous. Some of the sights you see on the road to Hana. This is a waterfall. Check it out. Good heavens. That is just amazing. This is Hana Road after Hana, and it's one heck of a big road, and one heck of a tiny road, and one heck of a big waterfall. Unbelievable. This is the wild coastline beyond Hana, and it's really unspoiled nature. It's just beautiful. Simply gorgeous. Quite a drive to get here, and it's worth the effort.